Hello friends and welcome back to our channel The Exploring Bees, and we are here after a small break. We have come to Karjat to have a lunch, right? And we have come to this very beautiful and famous place here in Karjat, which is called the Roots Art Cafe. Now cafe doesn't just mean just snacks, huh? We have come here for a proper pakka meal. Okay, this place is situated just next to ND Studio. Okay, so if you're here in Karjat and if you're near this place, I'm telling you it's a must visit place. So let's see how's the food here. Chalo Shanaya, let's go. Wow, such a lovely climate. It's raining in the month of November, and we are here at Roots to have our lunch. So let's see what's there in their menu. It's Roots Cafe, but apart from snacks, they have a complete meal. Okay, you can order non-veg, veg thalis, okay, chicken, fish, mutton, everything. And the best part about this place is that it gives you that rustic vibe. It takes you back to some century old stuff where you'll really reminiscence all the age old things like a typewriter, an old camera, and the food here is, they call it Chuli Varsa Jevan, which is home styled, old village, wood styled food cooked here. So we have come here to really relish it. Shania, by the way, loves thali peet, and the thali peet here is to die for. It's really, really yummy. One of the best thali peet we have had, and we will go in for something non-veg. I love fish, so I'm going in for a surmai thali, and Ravi, of course, loves mutton. So we'll try their mutton vade. So let's see how it tastes. This is their menu. Actually, if you see, they have limited stuff on their menu, like few snacks. They concentrate on thalis and a few sweets here and there. But I'm telling you, as they say, quality matters. Quality is anytime better than quantity. So every product here is really top notch. The snacks that we've tried here is thali peet, we've had aloo vadis, we've had kothambir vadi, and we had thalis. In thalis, we had the chicken thali, we've had fish thali, the veg thali, so many times, and all were too good.
This is my favorite dish over here, thali pit. It comes with dahi and thecha. They even put butter on top of it.
And here is my dish, the surmai thali. And just see what all has come in this. Two big nice fish fry, okay, surmai pieces. This is the prawns curry. And you know what is this? This is sukhat, dry fish, okay, dry prawns, dry shrimp actually. Sol curry and rice, bhakris, two bhakris. And for the sweet dish you have the Mysore pak. Wow. And let's try. And the curry is very nice. Just how we make at home. So fresh it is. Very nice.
This is my favorite, vade and mutton. It comes with the curry, mutton curry, and this 5 big vades. I really like to eat vades. This
Not
also
oily, na?
not oily at all. See, slip on it. As expected, the mutton curry and the vade, very delicious. Loved it. We often come to this place because of the ambience of the place. It's so lovely. There is so much openness. I love this place.
So we have had our lunch and this is a bill. The thali costed us 180, mutton thali was 300 and the surmai thali was for 600. So around 1,100 is the bill for today's lunch. Well, I'm pretty satisfied, you know why? Because I know we've had good quality food and whenever you're traveling, you'll always see where to have good food, you know. So we've had really nice food today here at Roots. Vadi was nice. Huh? Nice. What a lovely experience here at Roots, which is in Karjat. We've had really amazing home cooked food, चुलीवरचा जेवण, which we really enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed our video. Do make it to Karjat, and if you're here in Karjat, do visit Roots. A big recommendation from the Exploring Bees. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe to our channel, and many more videos coming up for you. Till we meet you in our next video, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.